Exactitude is the leader in the Northeast for commercial doors, frames, and hardware, so that's a big segment of our business that really allows us to build on our relationships with our general contractors and architects in the market. These guys are our main craftsmen building these doors by hand, transitioning raw lumber into a finished product that you'll see at a Vanderbilt University, that you'll see on a high-end church or a high-end residential multifamily in the city.
We don't have any automation in our shop. We build everything from individual rough sawn boards. It's old school mentality out there, and they do a tremendous job.
We also have a tremendous capability of doing financial institution and architectural woodwork finish work. So it's not just doors, right? It's architectural woodwork, it's custom cabinetry, it's all the things that you would see in a custom woodworking shop.
Our reputation is really what brings people to us. I mean, our number one priority is to make sure that the client gets what they want and they're happy with it. And we'll continue working with that until they are happy with the final product.
It's their attention to detail, and it's the whole process. So when we work with them as we're going through the design aspect, there's always little details that take it from being an ordinary piece or having an ordinary function to bringing in that exceptional quality and really making sure that we're not just building a box. It's always going to be multifaceted and have a bit of intricacy to it.
There's such a level of artistry to it that, it makes us unique.
Watching our doors being built, some are historic, some end up as the first time use for a brand new building. But we know that those doors will last as long as the building lasts. As long as they're maintained, those doors will last a lifetime.
When I started over 30 years ago, I thought a wood door, you just walk through it, it's simple, right? But there's a lot that goes into providing a quality custom wood door and how they swing and the fitment into the frames. The contractors give us the specific hardware they're using, and we'll take that and draw it into our drawings and machine accordingly.
I love everyone there. Every person that we've come in contact with, as long as I've had my career here, has been fantastic. They work with integrity and they're an honest group of people, and we've often used the term salt of the earth.
Each and every member of the team is dedicated and professional, and we know we can count on them.
You could look right next to me, you could look across from me, everybody takes a lot of pride in what they do. I think that's the one underlying thing that everybody has in this shop. To know that they, delivered, a quality product is something that really matters to them.
Any type of project or door we do, we see it and be recognized, and I can say, I did that.
The clients are, expecting a high degree finished product from us, and we're able to deliver that because we have all the tools that we need to complete those projects, and the expertise. They have a lot of experience that we're all able to draw on from each other. We have the guys in the office coming up with drawings and giving us all the details from the field that we could need to be able to give the client the product that they require.
There's a reason that Exactitude and Precision Millwork specifically is one of the last groups standing in that industry, right? We are, and they are, the best in the business for a reason. So if you're an architect, general contractor, designer, anywhere in the country, there is not a better team that you're going to find that can help you take your idea, put it on a piece of paper, and transfer that to being an actual product in the field that you're going to be happy with, that's going to last, that's going to be warranted, and that you are going to be proud of on your commercial facility.
It works out good because we can go right from actually meeting the customer to giving them a finished product, so that way you know what you're going to be getting at the end, and we can make sure that we can service you accordingly.
They go above and beyond, and in the end the product is absolutely exceptional, and our clients are extremely happy. We are happy, and we can't wait to start the next project with them.